Affiliate marketing versus other online business models. Which is right for me? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Affiliate marketing versus other online business models. If you're ready to dive into the world of online entrepreneurship but aren't sure which path to choose, this video is for you. I'm your host Carl, and let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly define both affiliate marketing and other online business models. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. On the other hand, other online business models include dropshipping, e-commerce, digital products, and more. So, what makes affiliate marketing unique? Well, one of the biggest advantages is that you don't need to worry about product creation, inventory management, or customer support. As an affiliate marketer, your main focus is promoting products and driving sales. It's a low-risk model that allows you to leverage existing products and tap into established audiences. Now, let's compare affiliate marketing to other online business models. One popular model is dropshipping, where you set up an online store and partner with suppliers to fulfill orders. Dropshipping offers flexibility and low startup costs, but it requires managing inventory and handling customer support. Next up, we have e-commerce, which involves selling physical products directly through your own online store. E-commerce offers more control over branding and product selection, but it requires managing inventory, shipping logistics, and customer support. Moving on to digital products and online courses, these models allow you to create and sell your own information products, such as e-books, online courses, or software. They offer scalability and high profit margins, but they require content creation, marketing, and customer support. Now, let's talk about the benefits of affiliate marketing. First, it's a fantastic way to start earning passive income. Once you set up your affiliate links and create engaging content, you can generate income while you sleep. Plus, you can choose from a wide range of products and niches, allowing you to align with your interests and passions. Another advantage is the flexibility it offers. As an affiliate marketer, you have the freedom to work from anywhere, anytime. You can even turn your hobby or passion into a profitable business by promoting relevant products or services within your niche. And let's not forget about the scalability and earning potential of affiliate marketing. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant investments, affiliate marketing allows you to scale your income without the burden of inventory, production costs, or hiring employees. The sky's the limit. In conclusion, choosing between affiliate marketing and other online business models depends on your preferences, skills, and goals. If you prefer a low-risk, low-investment approach with the freedom to promote various products, affiliate marketing may be the right choice for you. However, if you enjoy the idea of managing inventory, creating your own products, or providing specialized services, other online business models may be more suitable. Ultimately, it's essential to consider factors like your interests, time commitment, budget, and desired level of control. I hope this video has shed some light on the differences between affiliate marketing and other online business models. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's all about finding the right fit for your entrepreneurial journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment down below. And as always, stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue exploring the fascinating world of online entrepreneurship. Until then, keep hustling and find the business model that's right for you.